Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and today we are going to talk about macrophages. So let's start our topic with introduction. Macrophages are large, long-lived phagocytic cells that form a vital part of immune system. They belong to mononuclear phagocyte system and play a key role in innate immunity, adaptive immunity and tissue homeostasis. They are derived from blood monocytes. Macrophages are widely distributed in almost all tissues of body and they are essential for defense system against infections, clearance of dead cells and tissue repair. Origin and development of macrophages. Macrophages arise from monocytes which are produced in the bone marrow. Monocytes circulate in blood for 1 to 3 days before migrating in tissue where they differentiate into the macrophages. In tissue, macrophages adopt their functions according to their local environment and are given specific names such as Kupffer cells if macrophages go in the liver. They are called microglia if they go into the brain, and they are called alveolar macrophages if these monocytes go into the lungs, and they are called osteoclasts if they are go into the bone. Structure of macrophage. They are large size cells. They are about 15 to 20 micrometer in diameter. Their nucleus is oval or kidney shaped. Their cytoplasm is abundant and it is filled with lysosomes and phagosomes. Their surface contains receptors for antibody, complement proteins, and pattern recognition receptors that detect microbes. Functions of macrophages. First function is phagocytosis, as they engulf and digest microbes, dead cells, and debris, and they use their reactive oxygen species and lysosomal enzyme to destroy these pathogens. Second function of macrophage is antigen presentation, as they act as antigen presenting cell and they process and present antigens to T lymphocyte, thus linking innate immune system to adaptive immune system. Third function of macrophage is secretion of mediators, as they release cytokines like TNF alpha, interleukin 1, interleukin 6, for example, to regulate inflammation and recruit immune cells, and they produce growth factor for tissue healing. Fourth function is their role in inflammation. In acute inflammation, macrophages appear later than neutrophils, thus cleaning up the debris. In chronic inflammation, macrophages persist and derive the immune response, sometimes causing the tissue damage. Fifth function of macrophage is tissue repair and remodeling, as these macrophages stimulate angiogenesis, that is, formation of new blood vessels, and they promote fibroblast activity and collagen deposition for wound healing. Types of macrophages. They are on the basis of functional state. They are classically activated macrophages that are induced by microbial products and cytokines, and they are pro-inflammatory and microbicidal. Second type is alternatively activated macrophages that are also called as M2. They are induced by anti-inflammatory signals and they involve in the tissue repair and resolution of inflammation. Clinical significance of macrophages. First is tuberculosis. As macrophage engulf Mycobacterium tuberculosis, but the bacteria can survive inside them, thus leading to granuloma formation. Second significance is atherosclerosis, as macrophages take up lipid and form foam cells, thus contributing to plaque formation. Third significance is cancer, as tumor-associated macrophages may promote tumor growth and metastasis. Fourth significance of macrophages is immunodeficiency, as defective macrophage function leads to recurrent infections. Conclusion of this lecture video. Macrophages are versatile immune cells that act as scavengers, defenders, regulators, and healers. By linking innate and adaptive immunity, they play a central role in both defense and repair. However, their overreaction or dysfunction can contribute to chronic disease, infection, and cancer. And this was all about macrophages. Hopefully you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.